Hey folks, how you doing? It is Wednesday, it's the 21st December. Hope you're doing well. It's 7:10 in the morning. I'm wondering where Chris is. But he's not got out of bed yet. He's not messaged me back, so I'm guessing he's got a little bit of a short loop before he reaches me. So I'm guessing he's on his way round. It's very unusual for him to be late and me to be on time. I say on time, I was 5 minutes late anyway. Hopefully he's not left without me and I'm not just standing around, walking around with a phone stuck in my face. Where is he? I'm duly dressed appropriately. I remembered everything, Chris. Sunglasses, got some new ones, some Karnak. Very good. I forgot I was even wearing them. Overshoes, gloves. What else do we usually forget? Right, where is he? I have to give him a call, I think. Right, I've just rang him. He's 5 minutes away. Guess what he forgot? His phone. So we're leaving about 7:15 out this way, I think, which is fine. So it's a summer solstice ride, basically rising from, normally you'd ride it from sunrise to sunset, but we're just riding it as distance really, just get the 200 in. So yeah, 200 kilometers. I'll throw the route up on screen so you can take a look, but it's basically a Lincolnshire flat ride down along the coast towards, well, we do go to Boston, in fact, the city of Boston. From there we're making our way to Horncastle and Louth over the walls there. That's the sort of climbing. There's not much climbing in this. It's about 800 meters according to Ride with GPS. So this is the site of where many popular bike rides have started here in Humberston. The bus shelter. Riding with the pros today. Tail fin, the mark of a pro. I shall get myself a tail fin at some point in spring, I think. Ourselves heading along the A52. Been in a battle against the wind a bit. We're getting there. It's December and look at this, got a bumper crop. Oh, it smells gorgeous. So yes, heading on towards Boston. Got Francis on front. Tractor! Tractor! You know, I think it's time for Chris to go on the front. I think it's your turn on the front. It's my turn again, is it? Is it my turn again? Alright. Hey?
Hey, the funny thing is, you've got a CR rider, you've got a good rider, and then you've got Paul Francis on the front.
There we are. Here he is on the front again.
Oh, hello. We're still here. We are here in Boston. That's Boston, ladies and gentlemen. And here we see some of the good people of Boston behind you. Hello, people of Boston. You want to be on the telly? There you are, you're now famous. You'll be on YouTube.
Excellent.
Follow Ricky Lake's cycling adventures.
Like and subscribe, yeah? Like and subscribe, buy him coffee. For God's sake.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and leave some French vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some French vibes on my way. On my way.
So we're just heading away from Boston. Just popped into just a shop really. Next up, Woodhorse Bar. We're going to grab a cup of tea. I think we might be going to Tea in the Woods.
Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? Tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it?
We're just coming up to, as Francis calls it, Tatty Bridge. Pots! Pots! Oh!
I'm not trying to run, just need some French vibes on my way. On my way.
Enjoyed the ride then so far?
Blistering.
Blistering?
Blistering. Yes, blisteringly good fun.
Excellent.
Yes, for anybody who doesn't go out on their bike between October and March. Shame. And you get to see so much. You get to see so much of the landscape that you don't normally get to see. You know, maybe not going out with so many expectations that you're going to go super far or super fast, but going slower, more local, more stops, more kindness to yourself.
More cake.
More cake, more cake. Oh, speaking of cake.
Yeah. More cake, more coffee.
More cake.
It's always got it. Look at that. Donkeys! Beat that Paul Jenkins, there's about 10 over there. More donkeys! So just coming out of Horncastle, Heavenby Lane, near the golf course, and might be the last chance of seeing the sunset. Just going down over the hill there. I think by the time I get to Green Lane, might just see it. That's the top of the walls where we're riding today. Highest point. And then Chris has got us going on Red Hill as well, just throw it in for a bit of a laugh. Doesn't bother me. Do like some choice climbs, and that's today's choice climb. Red Hill Nature Reserve, right in the heart of the Lincolnshire Wolds. I did some hill training February 21. I'll stick a link in the corner. It's my training towards Everest. So I did some hill reps, did 10 on Red Hill and 10 reps on another 3 hills as well. That was a tough day. But as you see, I got the cap, it all paid off in the end. Don't know if you can see much at all. Just snapped my rear gear cable. So I'm just hobbling home at the moment. Beautiful view. What a beautiful end to this winter solstice. Come on, felt quite shiny, hasn't it, at the cassette there. Oh, in Waltham, I just went down Grove Lane. I think there's a club down there. I think we used to go there with a tea group, or it might have been a different turning. Morning everyone. Gear cable snapped yesterday while I was out riding, so they're actually cleaning my bike at the moment. How's this for a service? Doing a good job, mate.
It's going to cost you.
I'm getting a gold service here, Chris. Nice.
And you need to make sure when you sort it out this end that is in there, or else you won't tension right. Yeah, I'll just pull that through.
One hour later.
Here's a tip for you when you're repairing your bike. Cover the drains. We'll say no more.
Yeah, say no more.
Say no more. But we're
That's
putting the
by a
bike.
magnet.
We've been somewhere. Yeah, actually, yeah, we'll tell you this a bit more. These come in really useful. It's a really strong magnet. Helps you to recover things from drains.
Screws.
Like little tiny screws.
Bend over, Mr. Lake.
Oh, happy days. Happy days. So who do viewers contact to get a bike? one bike and a friend's bike is more than enough to keep you busy, yeah.
Call me.
Well, that's where we're going to leave the video. Hope you enjoyed watching this one. Bit of an alternate ending.
We cut some things out
Yeah.
where we make mistakes.
You got comments, questions? You know what to do. What do they do, Chris?
Stick them
down below.
Oh, stick them down below. Yeah, I don't know.
I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.
Darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just as the French drops in my way.